Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike with smartoptiontrade.com. It is Wednesday, the 22nd of May. This is our midweek update. It's been a very quiet week here in the markets. And today we caught a little bit of selling pressure off of no real news. You can see here very sideways here. We had our first little sell program in here. Typically, we do 16 million shares in the first hour. Coming up into the 2 o'clock hour, we are at 11 million shares on the day. They released the Fed minutes. There was nothing new in there, but we sold off on it. We came down. The market was looking for excuse, and it did pick up volume. You can see volume, went way up at that point once we came in. But overall, we've gone nowhere. We're still very low on volume. We're at 25 million shares with 30 minutes to go. You can see yesterday we struggled to do 33 million shares. We didn't even hit the 8-day, and overall, we're still in this pattern on the SPY, a consolidation ahead of NVIDIA earnings tonight. Just a quick chat about NVIDIA earnings tonight. NVIDIA will move the market. Either way, everybody says the market's waiting for this. So I hope they're right. People are saying if NVIDIA is bad, it'll dump the market and we'll get a correction. I don't agree with that statement. I do think the market, if the NVIDIA is bad, will come in. I think the 21-day area on the SPY, which is down here around 520, would likely hold. At the same time, if NVIDIA is very good, it'll probably go. Let's talk a little more about NVIDIA as long as we're here. Let's talk about that today. We're expecting an implied move of about $75. It really comes down to guidance. I expect them to beat and to guide up. The market's looking for them to guide up big like they've done the last couple quarters. And also looking for a stock split, 4-to-1 split. We'll see if we get that or not. NVIDIA here, the mover today. The SMH is very close to an all-time high. Qualcomm was at an all-time high today. You got some strength still in this sector. So we'll see what goes on there. Microsoft pushed up yesterday, new all-time high, couldn't hold it, but not going anywhere today, remains strong. Meta was stronger today than most of the market, but not holding it. Tesla today, after yesterday's beautiful candle, gapped down and has been weak all day, all the way back to the 8-day. We'll see what that does. Amazon tried to push early, couldn't, then sideways. There's been no action on this one as well. So a very, very mixed market here. Google yesterday got close to an all-time high, put an all-time high in on Monday, down a little bit here today, again above the 8-day. And the point I'm trying to make here is the market is overall fine. We haven't gone anywhere. Apple's been very strong, new range high today, got within $7 of the all-time high. You kind of get the idea here. The market's strong, everything still feels fine. We're just waiting. Boeing had a nice day, still hasn't broken out. Costco, a new all-time high today. Walmart pushing up to a new all-time high today, despite Target earnings being a train wreck. And what I mean by a train wreck is they were honest. They said the consumer is weakening and we don't see it changing anytime soon. And we've heard that from a lot of the retailers lately. So there's something to keep in mind there. So bottom line is we're going to get a big earnings report tonight in NVIDIA, and depending on what they say, it's going to move the market one way or the other. My hope is up, but I'll take movement, anything, and we hope volume comes back into this market tomorrow because it's been missing now for the better part of 2 weeks. We have a full day trading tomorrow. Friday is a full day trading. Friday is typically a very low volume day as we're going into the Memorial Day weekend here in the US. The markets are closed on Monday. It is a 3-day weekend as we go into next weekend. And overall, things look good. One more note here. Let's talk Bitcoin and crypto. Bitcoin here is up into this downtrend here on the daily. Tried to break above yesterday, not there yet today. Coin is also looking strong, tried to move today. I didn't do much today, guys. I made 2 trades on Amazon, lost on the first one, made a little back in the second, caught a nice little trade on Coin, made a little bit of green and stood out of this market today. And I'm hoping volume comes in and we'll see where we go from here. Hopefully volume comes back in tomorrow. I'll be staying late tonight with you guys for NVIDIA. Catch you guys in the morning. Hopefully we have a change in character tomorrow morning.